Well, Congresswoman Susan Wild visited the flood-damaged areas of Northampton County today. She spoke with officials and residents, emphasizing her commitment to bring federal assistance. Northampton County Emergency Management Services reported that the latest flooding damages are estimated to total between $5.5 to $6 million, with assessments ongoing. It is unbelievable, and we now have flood warnings in effect.
Yeah, flood advisory. Either way, we got flooding going on.
Right.
It's not the intense flash flooding, but still, you get 1 to 2 inches of rain in an hour or two, there's going to be some flooding going on. That's in Berks County, by the way. So we'll be watching that. It's the only alert that we have at this hour. Let me start you out and show you what it looks like here on the map around the Philadelphia area. Everybody's commute tonight has, for the most part, been fine in terms of any weather-related issues. Where we've been focusing in on is this storm out in Berks County. We've been talking about it moving out of Lancaster and into Berks County over the last couple of hours. This loop goes back until, say, 3 o'clock or so. And currently, it is now just south of Reading in terms of where the heaviest of the rainfall is. But, man, this thing is producing quite a bit of rain. If we use this info tool and I take, say, just outside of 176 and sample the rainfall rate here, it's 2.7 inches per hour. Now, it's not going to sit over your area for an hour, but it just shows you how heavy the rainfall is coming down in this part of our viewing area, and that is why the National Weather Service has issued the flood advisory that will be out. If that storm sits for another 30 or 40 minutes, they may jump this to a flash flood warning. We'll see. When you get inches of rain over one spot, and it's just not moving, that's what prompts that. But this does include Reading, and it goes back past Spring in this area of Berks County. But I have this map set for all active alerts, any alert of any kind, heat, severe, you name it. It is the only alert in our area right now, just north of the Poconos and areas a little farther up to the north. All this shade of pink that you see, this is a severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect, meaning conditions are possible. So that includes Scranton, that includes a good part of New York State and areas a little farther to the north. Our region is not in that. So your futurecast showing you that cell that's over Berks County is doing a great job, and watch what happens over the next few hours as the sun gets a little bit lower, because most of these are triggered by the heating of the day. The storms go away, and by the time we get to, say, 9, 10, even 11 o'clock when we meet tonight at 11, it's unlikely I'm tracking any showers or storms of any kind, and the rest of the evening is going to be good to go. Good sleeping weather. It's on the muggy side, so like it's typical for this time of year. I'm sure your windows are shut and your air conditioner's on, although we'll be in the 60s around the region. And then tomorrow, dry and sunny for the first half of the day. Watch what happens by the second half. We start to see more showers and storms develop, and that's going to roll through the heaviest between 2 to 3 p.m. to 7 and 8 p.m. right at commute time. I mean, we got some rainfall that's coming down in buckets, lightning, and the potential for some strong storms in the form of wind primarily is the biggest problem. If you're going down the shore, a majority of your day is dry. By the evening time, we'll be tracking those showers and storms rolling through, and then like tonight, those die down and it's quiet tomorrow night. Now, in terms of rainfall, it depends on where you are and where those storms end up. On the low end, you pick up a little bit of rain, 1/4 inch, maybe 3/10 of an inch. On the higher end, 1 to 2 inches of rain, if not more, in these localized spots where you see these bright shades of red. So that's what we're watching for your day tomorrow. Now, in terms of temperatures, right now it's 73 in Reading. That's that rain-cooled air. 84 in Philly, 82 Trenton. It's a beautiful evening to spend some time outside, sans the storm where it is right now. We'll say 78 by 9, 75 by 11, eventually getting down into the 60s, as I mentioned. Partly cloudy skies, a little bit more muggy. Now, as we look ahead tomorrow, we're into the mid to upper 80s by Wednesday. Now we're talking 90 degrees, if not greater, and the big story come the end of the week is going to be the temperatures. Feels like 105 on Thursday. On Friday, the record high is 100. We're going to be challenging it with a 97-degree temperature. If we hit that, it's going to be the hottest temperature we've had so far this year. Another wave of storms on Saturday. Send it back over to you.